I got interrupted then by cleaners. Right, so we've got a sheet set. You've called it whatever you need to do and whatnot. Right, you just don't double click level 0. Just click and drag it, and then let go, and you'll be able to see a preview of its boundary. That's the crop region you had earlier. And left click and plonk it down. Now I've left clicked away from it, and it's, you know, if I'd have left, I'll just show you. If I'd have left the crop region on, and then gone back into this sheet, that crop region there will be permanently turned on around it. So you don't want that. You don't want boxes around everything, so you'd hide it. That was the whole point of hiding it in previous steps. I hover over it, and if I left click, it gives me a blue grip on this line, which I can shrink. And then if I just click away, it deselects it. You can just left click and drag on this kind of text and whatnot. You'll have dimensions and that going on in here. That's fair enough. It's exactly the same now for bringing in other views. You just click and drag your view in, whatever. Just arrange it like it is on the wall. I'm not going to do each step, right? It's up to you now. You just arrange it as you know, neatly and that kind of stuff. Use the wall as a guide if need be. One thing I will say is if you're bringing in a view, like a perspective view, like that, that's not too bad a size. It's a bit small. If it needs to be bigger, you're gonna have to go into that view, turn your crop region on, make it bigger in here, and then you're gonna have to click your navigation wheel and then make it bigger, actually zoomed bigger, and then that will I'll just turn that crop region off. That'll be bigger in the actual sheet. You know what I mean? I'll just click and drag that underneath. If I want to drag that line, I have to select the viewport and then click and drag it. Maybe future versions of Revit will update that for us. You don't tend to call things 3D view 1. You tend to call it southeast view and, you know, these kind of things. 3D view 1 don't mean anything. So usually you'd right click on that and rename it something sensible. Whichever. So it's up to you to get the sheet sorted out. Get it all looking like number 45 says. Click, drag, get it looking brilliant. If you need to move things a little bit, you can click on it and just press up, down, left, right and get it really sorted out. There's no reason for it to look lousy. Revit's done all the hard work for you. You've just got to position it correctly. Alt text matches, views lined up sensibly. Spend a little while doing it, and then you can look at the final bit, number 46, which is confirmed in next video, which is about schedules and stuff.